Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all will be good and fantastic. Dear friend, आज की इस लेसन में हम सीखने वाले हैं बेसिक स्पोकन इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस, स्पोकन इंग्लिश के बुनियादी और अहम जुमले। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले एक अहम गुजारिश, अगर अभी तक आप लोगों ने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो हमारे चैनल को करें सब्सक्राइब और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करें ताकि हर आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। So this is Mohammed Bilal and you are listening to BEEnglish YouTube channel. Without further ado, let's begin our today's lesson. I woke up late this morning. आज सुबह मैं देर से बेदार हुआ। I woke up late this morning. Take rest here tonight. आज रात यही आराम करो। Take rest here tonight. मेरे साथ साथ पढ़ लीजिए ताकि आप लोग का प्रोनाउंसिएशन ठीक हो जाए। I woke up late this morning. I woke up late this morning. Take rest here tonight. Take rest here tonight. Who am I to forgive you? मैं कौन होता हूँ तुम्हें माफ़ करने वाला? Who am I to forgive you? You will make me mad. तुम मुझे पागल कर दोगे। You will make me mad. Who am I to forgive you? Who am I to forgive you? You will make me mad. You will make me mad. How do I tell you like? ऐसे कैसे बताऊं? How do I tell you like? Don't boast of your wealth. अपनी दौलत पर फिक्र ना करो। Don't boast of your wealth. How do I tell you like? How do I tell you like? Don't boast of your wealth. Don't boast of your wealth. I had a sound sleep last night. रात खूब नींद आई। I had a sound sleep last night. I have to go to his home. मुझे उसके घर जाना है। I have to go to his home. I had a sound sleep last night. I had a sound sleep last night. I have to go to his home. I have to go to his home. She is so skeptical. वो बहुत शकी है। She is so skeptical. Compose yourself. खुद को संभालो। Compose yourself. She is so skeptical. She is so skeptical. Compose yourself. Compose yourself. He looks younger than his age. वो अपनी उम्र से छोटा लगता है। He looks younger than his age. It was just a slip of tongue. ये यूं ही जुबान से निकल गया। It was just a slip of tongue. He looks younger than his age. He looks younger than his age. It was just a slip of tongue. It was just a slip of tongue. You have never considered me as your own. तुमने मुझे अपना समझा ही कब है। You have never considered me as your own. You are every dear to me. तुम मुझे बहुत अजीज हो। You are every dear to me. He is just dragging on his days. वो तो बस अपने दिन पूरे कर रहा है। He is just dragging on his days. You should have regarded his age. तुम्हें उसकी उम्र का लिहाज रखना चाहिए था। You should have regarded his age.